सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Hello dear students, you know that today we are facing the COVID-19, the greatest problem, and you are thinking about that, what is about our school, what will happen when our school will be start. But don't worry about that. Our school, Sudhagad Education Society, have been started a new project for the students, and our principal, Mr. Palve sir, have given a nice opportunity to the all teachers and students to learn through the digital way, and you can follow this channel YouTube, no? Through that YouTube, Sudhagad Education, and don't worry about that. All subjects you can see that on that channel. Today, you know that very well, English is a very essential language, and mostly we face in a critical condition. But don't worry, through this education module, we will make it easier. English, in 6 subjects, English is very important. Our format of the question paper is 80-20. In 80 marks question paper, there are the 7 questions to us. Question number 1A is about the language study. There are given us the 6 problems, 6 topics, and we have to solve any 4. Each sub questions carry the 2 marks. This is for the 8 marks. For language of the question paper, language study, 8 marks, 1A. Second one, question number 1B, there are given us also the 2 points, 1 and 2. In 1, there are also the sub questions 1A1, A2 and B1, B2. It is also carry the 2 marks, means first question carry the 10 marks. Question number 2A, it is depending on the textual passage. It is on the textual passage. There are the 2 textual questions, 2 textual passages. Question number 2A and question number 2B. Both have the 5 sub questions, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Each question carries the 2 marks. And in question number 2B, there are also the B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Each sub questions carries the 2 marks. Means totally the question number 2 is for the 20 marks. In A1, there are the factual questions. A2, complex factual questions. A3, it is depending on the vocabulary. Then A4, it is on it is on the grammar questions. And A5, it is a personal factual. In question number 3, poem. In question number 3A, it is on poem for appreciation, comprehension for the 5 marks. In question B, appreciation of the poem. Both carry the 5 marks. Question number 4, non-textual passage. It's carry the 10 marks. Question number 4B, it is on summary of the same given passage, which is for unseen passage. This unseen passage, you have to appreciate it. You have to write a summary of that passage, and you have given the 5 marks. In summary, title must be essential because it have the 1 marks. Important things should be written in that. Then the question number 5. Question number 5 also the A and B. In A, there are given ask us to write a letter. Both letters are given there. Formal letter and informal letter. And you have to write any one of that. You have given the 5 marks for that. Question number 5B, dialogue writing. Dialogue writing also have the 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. In first one, you have to fill in the blanks. In second one, there are given the jumble sentence, you have to write the correct. And in C, either in 3, you have given the topic and you have to write a dialogue. Marks are divided like a 1, 1 and 3. Question number 6. A. Information transfer. There are asked us 2 types of questions, verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. Non-verbal to verbal means there are given only the words and you have to write, you have to change into the format of sentences. Verbal to non-verbal, there are given us a passages and you have to write only the points about that. Write anyone and you have to given the 5 marks for that questions. Question number B, 6B, expand the theme. Either write a news, anything. Suppose tit for tat, a might is right. A title is given there and you have to expand the theme, the given title. How the time is more than money. How you can think about that the might is right. So this question also carry the 5 marks. Question number 7. It is on translation. This question carry the 5 marks. There are also the 3 topics, 3 points, A, B and C. In A, we have to ask to write the words into your mother tongue, to translate the words into your mother tongue. We have to ask the 4 questions, 4 words, 6 words and write any 4. This question carry the 2 marks. In B, there are given us the 4 English sentences and you have to translate into your Marathi. Means translate the following sentence into the mother tongue. It has carried the 2 marks. There are given the 4 sentences, but we have to write any 2. In C, there are given 2 sentences and we have to write only 1. There are compulsory given the items, either the phrases, and we have to translate into Marathi. It's carry the 1 marks. Means this total question is carry the 5 marks. About the time management, we have to solve the 80 marks question in 3 hours. So how to use the time? So first question we have to use the 12 minutes. Second question we have to use 3 minutes. In question number 2A, 15 minutes. Question number 2B, 15 minutes. Question number 3A, 15 minutes. Question number 3B, 10 minutes. Question number 4, 20 minutes. Then the 15 minutes. Letter writing, 15 minutes. Dialogue writing, 15 minutes. Information transfer, 15. Expand the theme, 15. And the translation is for the 7 minutes. And after all, we have remaining the 15 minutes to cover up our all times after then. And this is our format, the question paper.